Hey YouTube, so today we're going to do another overview of the Business 40 project in Winston-Salem. As you can see here, this is the, I think this is Main Street, no, Church Street. The Church Street Bridge is completed. We have cars walking past. Look at this, nice. We have the other bridges that are pretty much completed as well. I remember last time we did this, those bridges weren't completed. Oh, check this out. This is a little robot. Check out the robot. That is so cool. So we've got some technology here working. That right there, what it does, it compacts the dirt down into soil. Traditionally, you would have seen a guy driving one of those things back and forth, but now see they have a robot out here doing that. That's pretty neat. And of course, we're still working on the interstate part. That's going to be the new business I-40 going through downtown. Let's see, we've got a nice on-ramp cut in here. The Salem College in the background. They've really done some nice improvements here. Come along on the other side. There's the old Wachovia building. I guess it's going to be the on-ramp for Main Street here. As you remember, that second bridge did not exist actually. It used to go under the interstate, now it's going to go over. This is coming to be a very nice looking project aesthetically. Now on the other side, I like how high the gates are on the bridges. It's going to be pretty hard if you want to get over that. You know, you're not going to just fall over that. I mean, as you can see, it comes up to your chest. Alright, so that's direction there is Business 40. That'd be the eastern direction right there. This is where you're coming into Winston-Salem. So as you see, you have this big wide open area. It's going to come off the highway, and then you'll go under this bridge, and you'll go that direction, and the rest, this is west, facing west this way. Alright, so then you're coming into the city, and that's when you'll be able to see the skyline and all that neat stuff there. So this crew is doing an excellent job. I mean, they are really in there. Don't know if I'd want to be that guy right there behind the rebar fence doing that job, but we certainly do appreciate these workers getting this job done and getting it done fast. I don't know if y'all ever heard anybody from the city tell you that, but either way. I'm gonna go up to the parking deck so that we can get a better overview of this project, so that you can see how it's coming along, and we'll be right back. Alright, so there we have a higher overview of the whole project. And as you can see, it goes on down. That down there on the other side is the baseball stadium. They've recently replaced that bridge. It's the Broad Street Bridge. If you look close, you can see a car going out through there now. So there's a few more bridges that I think they're going to replace, like 2 or 3 more bridges, and they're going to build a bridge, because I know there's a creek down that way that they have to build a bridge to go over for the main interstate. But as you can see, this project is very massive, and they have really done a good job in getting it done quickly. If you look at my channel, you can see where I've posted before, and you can follow the progress. Beautiful skyline here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Beautiful weather today. Looking for a good place to live. Try it out. Our infrastructure is really coming along, and as you know, infrastructure is an important part of any community, because if you can't get anywhere efficiently and effectively, and it wears and plays havoc on your life. So this should really cut down on traffic jams and things like that. Alright, until next time, if you have any comments or questions, please post, chat. Oh yeah, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and share this with the world. Have a great day. Isn't that a nice view? And look at that. We have opened the on-ramp so that you can get back on Business 40. First look. Of course, it's not finished over there on that side. You can see, if you've seen my other videos, you know what I'm talking about as far as the project not being finished. But they do have the on-ramp up now, so you can get back on to Business 40 going eastbound. And this project is really coming along pretty fast. It looks like they are widening the road out as well beyond the bridge. Yeah, it is a little bit wider because it's wider than the bridge now. Okay, so just wanted to give you an update on the Business 40 renovation project. I love the scenery now that they've cleaned all this area up and cut down the trees and things like that. Winston Salem is really transforming itself. As a matter of fact, there's the new corridor down there that gets you to downtown. And let's see, I'm going to show you, since I'm driving and filming, we'll show you this. Alright, so we just got off of Business 40. Now we're going to get on to Highway 52 South. And they just recently renovated this road here. As you can see, it's widened out. I don't know if you know what it was like before. This bridge used to have an off-ramp, no more. You can get on and off at this bridge, but no more. You can't do that anymore. Now you have to come down. I think it's about half a mile farther than where you used to get off. You come on down, and they built this huge, nice interchange. You can go down to the stadium and go uptown. There's some historic relevance too. You see the the big hanging cross bridge thing we've got right there. Yeah, that right there. Okay, so that is supposed to represent the cross point, or the cutoff point. I think I said a cross point in the city. You know, we had the one side of the city from the other. Basically, you got the black side of town versus the white side of town, more or less, is what it really boiled down to. But or the haves on one side and the have-nots on the other. Just depends on how you want to look at it. But as you can see, they have really improved this area. I guess the next step will probably be working on the bridge that goes over the highway there. All right, I just wanted to give you an update on the infrastructure in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Forsyth County. Till next time, YouTube, post, chat, subscribe. Thanks for watching.